Okay, so I'm all set to make my creative Christmas tree without a tree actually. So first of all I'll paint these. And after this I'm going to be painting this old lampshade. So let's get started.
Hello everyone, welcome to an artist studio. My name is Nishat Rahman, and in this video I'm going to tell you how I created a decorative Christmas tree without an actual tree. I mostly just used the waste material that was lying around my house.
So I went around the house and I collected some things which could be useful to make a Christmas tree out of creativity. So the first thing which I remembered of was this. It was lying around the house like this for maybe waiting for one of these days. Then this is from my old puja plant which I had pruned when it was dried. So I had kept it instead of throwing it away for using it for this kind of a day. This, and I also have some old leaves from my old fern which I had pruned. Then I got an old lampshade. Okay. I got some paint. I had these metal cuttings with me. I have washed them. It's a reindeer. They can be useful for Christmas tree decoration. And I have these packets which can be used to decorate this. Some stones, some colorful stones, some seashells, some other items which can be used for decoration. This, some thread, tape, whatever. I have no idea right now what I'm going to do with this, but anyway, in case if I needed some beads. I have this old tiara which I might use, and this, and here is some fairy light which I'm going to use to light it up. So these are the things. Okay, so I'm all set to make my creative Christmas tree without a tree actually. So I'll start by painting these things. First of all, I'll paint these. Okay. And to paint them green, I will use this leftover Asian paint FX wall exterior color. It's an exterior wall paint, but I'm going to use it for it anyway because it's waterproof and I have it leftover in store. So, and after this, I'm going to be painting this old lampshade. So let's get started.
I started by painting these dry branches with green paint. During autumn season, these branches had fallen from a palm tree in my front yard, and I saved them maybe for this kind of a day. Painting them actually was quite a difficult task, and I would prefer to use a spray instead, but I didn't have a spray paint in green color, so I used whatever paint I had with me, but you can always do that. As I'm about to finish painting these branches, I'm going to paint the articles which I'm going to be using for the decoration of the tree, like those metal cuttings which I had. If you don't have such cuttings, you can always use cardboard to make such shapes for decoration, and it will actually be easier to paint them. Also, if you don't have these paints available at home, you can always use colorful paper, red or green and silver color paper, which is very easy to find.
items, and now I'm going to paint this lampshade. I'm gonna use this golden paint for it. It's artist acrylic colors. Let's get started. So this is also ready. Once it's dried, I'll put another coat to it to make it more even and shiny. So these things, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use these packaging for it. I will paste these objects onto it using Fevicol. Use a blade to cut it. So everything is ready here to decorate our Christmas tree. I did it on a double tape case. So I have these things ready. And now this is the place where I'm going to set up my Christmas tree. and it helped you to get some ideas on how to make a Christmas tree at home just using waste material. And if you really liked it, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. In the coming days, I'm going to post a lot more creative content here, and I would really appreciate your feedback, support, and love. Please let me know in the comments what do you think about it. And Merry Christmas to you all. Wish you joy and light.